Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to have a little bit of fun with some white chocolate. In today's tutorial, we are making some white chocolate stamped coins. For our tutorial today, you're going to need some white chocolate and also a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can simply use a small spoon and just create your little circles on a silicone mat that way. That works equally as well. I bought this little stamp off of eBay. It cost me about $5. What you want to do is take your stamp and put it into the freezer. Leave it there for a good 30 minutes or so it's very, very cold. And then all you want to do is just simply touch the chocolate, give a little bit of downward pressure, works perfectly, and then move on to the next one. And I find 4 or 5 coins maximum, and then you have to take your little stamp and put it back into the freezer. And then I'll do it again, a little bit closer up so that you can see a little bit more detail. I am using a white tempered chocolate, but you can do this equally as easily with a chocolate that is not tempered. And now in split view with a second camera added, I wanted to give you another angle of view, so you can see how extremely easily and well this works. So that's it for this really fast, fun tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can always check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And every video that you see on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel is also on my Facebook page. So that's it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.